Navigation is a critical aspect in any app. Like most things, there are a few ways to accomplish this. We already saw one way by using NavigationStack and NavigationPath in the home screen. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use navigation links with NavigationStack for the upcoming screen. To start, let's open the parent view, which would be upcoming view. We need to embed this view into NavigationStack. Right-click on Geometry Reader, Embed, NavigationStack. This allows us to enable navigation within our view. For example, tapping a list item can now push a new screen into the stack. The next step is to define a navigation link inside the child view. Open vertical list view. Make some space before async image. Navigation link with braces. Define a label after the closing braces. Inside the navigation link braces, we need to define our destination. Title, detail view, title. This passes the title tabbed before going to title detail view. Label defines how the navigation link is shown. The UI for the vertical list will do great. Select from async image till dot frame. Cut. Paste it inside label. To recap, we added NavigationStack to the parent view. Then, we added navigation link inside the child view. Navigation link lets us define where the user goes and how the link looks using label. Please make sure the API keys are updated inside apiconfig.json. Press Command R to run. The app is up. Select upcoming. Notice there are arrows on the right showing a clickable list. Click on the title. The title detail view opens correctly. I'll test a few more titles. Everything seems to be in working order. Let's go to the Home tab while on a title detail in the Upcoming tab. Click on the title. Go back to Upcoming. The detail screen maintained in Upcoming. If we go back to Home, the detail screen also maintained there. I do want to talk about navigation path versus navigation link to finish the video. Although navigation link is much simpler to use compared to navigation path, it comes with a few drawbacks. First, it's a little too eager to make the views. This can happen sometimes even when an item or button isn't tapped. Therefore, performance issues can occur. Second, navigation link only works with user interaction. You can't use it to navigate after loading data or handling things like deep links or push notifications. That means no async navigation and no programming control. All that being said, navigation link does work and it's really simple to use. I think it's good for practice apps where the point is to work on other big features and keep navigation simple. However, for production apps, I would lean towards navigation path to keep performance and overall user experience tight. I wanted to show you both ways to give you more options. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. We officially finished the second tab on the app and are pretty close to completion. I can't wait to see you in the next one.